Hello student, today we are going to study next point K-map technique for the Boolean expression. In algebraic method, there is a simplification, there is a lengthy equations, find the common terms and use the various laws and theorem to minimize the expression. So it is a time consuming work. So there are after the simplification, this is really not possible. So to obtain realize the minimize or obtain the expression, this is the very lengthy in algebraic method. To overcome the disadvantage of algebraic simplification to reduce the Boolean expression, we use the K-map technique to solve the Boolean expression. What is the K-map? That K-map method is a use the simplification technique to reduce the Boolean expression. In last chapter, we reduce the Boolean expression by using the Boolean laws. That is a very time consuming, that finding the common terms, equations are very lengthy and we minimize that expression by using algebraic method. But here we use that to solve the Boolean expression, use the K-map technique, and that is the disadvantage of algebraic method. Another method is developed, that is a K-map simplification to reduce the Boolean expression. What is a K-map? That K-map is a graphical method. K-map is a graphical method to solve the Boolean expression. And in this graphical chart, this is made up of rectangular boxes, and in this boxes there is the information about the truth table or SOP or POS expression that can be represented on the K-map, and that K-map is used the systematic simplification of Boolean expression. And this K-map can be written for 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable up to 6 variable, and this method is used to solve the Boolean expression. And that K-map, in that K-map there is the graphical representation simplifying the Boolean boxes, and that graphical chart is made up of rectangular boxes, and in that rectangular boxes there is a information about the truth table, Boolean expression or SOP and POS expression that is represented on a K-map, and that K-map structure is a 2 variable or 4 variable up to we representing that up to 6 variable. And that structure, that K-map structure for the 2 variable, how to represent that K-map structure for the 2 variable structure, that is a if 2 variable in that expression or truth table there are the 2 variables A and B, then there are the possibilities are 4, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and this there are the 2 variables, that is a 2 variable. So for the 2 variables there are the rectangular boxes are 4 for the 2 variable, and that rectangular boxes for the 2 variable are represented as a here is a B or A and 0 1 0 1. These rectangular boxes are for the 2 variable, and that boxes are contain the information about the SOP POS expression or the truth table information we fill in that boxes. There are the variables are 2, so 2 raised to n, that is a 2 raised to n, where n is equal to number of variables. If that expression or truth table there are the variables are 2, then for that expression or that truth table there is a K-map is required 2 variable structure, and that 2 variable structure there are the boxes are 4, so that boxes are 4 that represent by this way, or another way we represent that K-map 2 variable structure A and B here 0 1 0 1. That 0 is represented as a bar, so this is a and this is a B, sorry, this is a bar or this is a. So here is a B, that B is represented as a bar, so here is a for 0 there is a B bar, and here is a B, this is a B bar, this is a B bar, here is a bar, and here in these boxes there is a information about the SOP POS expression or truth table information. This is a structure by two way we represent the 2 variable structure. In that 2 variable or variable there are the boxes are required required the 4, and by there are the two boxes A and B are inputs. These are the A and B inputs, and 0 and 1 are the value inside the boxes have to enter the values of output, that is the logic 1 or logic 0 in that boxes. This is the two variable structure. This is the two variable structure by representing two way. If in that equation or truth table there are inputs are 3, so 2 raised to 3, this is the two input variable structure. Then 3 input variable structure. In this there are the 3 inputs in a equation or in a truth table. Then for that 3 variable, there are the boxes are required, 8 boxes are required. So this 3 variable structure we representing by different three ways. So there are the boxes are 8. So here is the A input, here is the BC, and in this row and column there are the logic 0 or the inside the boxes to enter the values of the 0 and 1 for A and B. Here is a 0, here is a 1, here is a BC 0 0 0 1 0 1, here is put a 1 1, and here is a 1 0. That sequence. Two variable, there are the boxes are 8. So this is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the structure for the 3 input variable structure. This is the one way. Another is the we represent that 3 variable structure. In that 3 variable structure, here is the C or here is the input BC. So there are the boxes are 8. So C as a 0 or 1 logic. For AB there are the possibility 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So this is the C bar, this is a C, this is a bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. This is the 3 variable structure. This one way, and another way is to represent the 3 variable structure as boxes are 8 for the 2 variable. Here is the A input, here is the input BC, so 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. So this 0 0 is a B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, B, C bar. 0 is represented as a in a logic as a SOP as a bar. So this is the C bar as a 0 as a C bar. So here is a bar, here is a A. This 3 variable structure we will represent by 3 ways. This one and this one. Input only changes in this. For 3 variable structure, there are the boxes are required 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Boxes are required 8, and that 3 variable structure we represent by 3 ways. Next is a 4 variable structure. 4 variable structure के मैं in a 4 variable structure, so 2 raised to n is the 4 variable, so 2 raised to 4 boxes are required, 16 boxes are required, so that K-map 16 boxes are required. There are the 16 boxes for the 4 variable structure, and here in a 4 variable there are the inputs A, B, C, D. So here is a AB input, here is a CD. So AB is a possibility 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So this is a C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Here is a bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, C, A, D bar, A, B bar, A, B bar. This is the representing one way. Another method, 4 variable structure, we represent only input sequences changes. Here is the CD, here is the AB. So here is a 0 0 0 1 1 0 sorry 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So this is a C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, C D bar, A bar B bar, A bar B, A B, A B bar. This is the 4 variable structure we represent by 2 way. Mostly we use this K-map, structure, that is a 4 variable structure. That in that boxes there is the information about the SOP or POS expression by logic 1 or 0 we put, and about the truth table. So every boxes contains for every boxes, that is a for 2 variable structure. In that 2 variable structure, that is this box, that box having the filled with the output y corresponding the combination. So each boxes we substitute product term, that product term for boxes, here is the 2 variable, that in that boxes there is a product term, this is A, this is a B. So here is a 0 1 0 1, so this is a B bar B, here is a bar A. So in that boxes there is the product of E inside of the row and column, and so for that boxes there is the product of column and row. So here is the A bar B bar. This is box is contain the A bar B bar. This box is the contains the this row and column A bar B. In these boxes there is a B bar. In these boxes this A and